Alright, what is going on, guys? I just want to give you a super quick little rundown on the rims and tires that I have on here. So if you're, you have a Super Duty, this style truck, this is a 99, hopefully this will help you. But this is in fact a 1999 F250 Super Duty, has a 7.3 diesel in it. I am running a 2-inch Supreme Suspensions leveling kit. What you get with that is spacers, 2-inch spacers, and then you also get the adjustable track bar. I think that's a track bar. I don't know, to be quite honest with you. I'm sorry. I believe it's a track bar. But that's what I'm running for the suspension. And then the rims are a 33X12.5R20 Federal Coragia. The rims are a 20x12 Arkon Lincoln -51 offset. So, in case you were wondering if 20x12 to 33-inch tires will work on an F250, they will. I do have some slight rubbing, as you can see right here, and I had some slight rubbing over here on the bumper. I just cut that, so very little minor rubbing. Some trimming right here, as you can see, it rubs again just a little tiny bit. There's a stance if you're wondering what the stance looks like. Try to get you guys so you can see. That's how far they poke out. I'd say if you look on the truck and then you look at the tires, from about here or so, sticks out. So, maybe a quarter of the tire, possibly. Just about a quarter of the tire sticks out. So, if you want some, nice little stance, 20x12s at a -51 offset would definitely give you a nice little stance. So, that's it. Just a quick little video in case you're looking at, getting rims and tires for your truck. This is something you can kind of see what you might be looking at here. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.